You need money right now. If so, stay with me. I've got something really important to tell you about. It's all coming up in my review of side hustles and quick money. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with the hat. That's because I wear fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can pull this successfully. Well, me by Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, if you're not new, you know by now that you can go ahead and skip over everything because, frankly, my jokes are stale. I get it, that they sound like dad jokes because, they are dad jokes, and I'm not even a dad. And yeah, anyway, I was about to talk about my cats because I do have, well, I had 3 cats. We now have 2, sadly. But anyway, I don't want this to be a sad video. But seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is 2 things: review software and info products and make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's very, very simple. It's to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
Crap, I like crap. I love crap. I need crap.
Okay, dude, seriously, nobody wants the crap. I don't think even you want the crap. I think that you just like talking about the crap because you like to be annoying. That's what I think you really are. The guy's annoying. He drives me crazy. Constantly talking about loving crap. Nobody wants crap. Nobody. Anyway, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, the way things work here, if I like the product, I will give you a tip, match the product great. If I don't, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos on loving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you so much, Liz. I mean, you see, Liz, she is a sweetheart. She says the same thing every time. But who can get angry at somebody who says something so sweet? Anyhow, but seriously, if you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified of new videos. Make sure you like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so looking right now at the sales page for the side hustles and quick money tactics from my friend Cam. Now, Cam has been doing the whole make money online thing for many, many years. Now, he is an expert writer. His stuff is some of the best I've ever seen. I'm going to read for you the first of his emails in just a moment, and I'll show you the members area. But before I do that, I do want to tell you about my own custom bonus because I do have the very best custom bonus that you're ever going to see. And by the way, this is a $6 product. I want you to know this is a $6 product. They're going to be able to buy $5.99, actually, not even $6. You're going to be able to buy it. If you pick it up from me, I am going to give you the right to give away my own 24-hour bucks. Now, 24-hour bucks is a course I put together during the height of the pandemic, right when the pandemic was starting to ebb a little bit, but people were still, desperate for jobs and desperate for money. And right now, with the recession about to occur, people again are really in need of this kind of thing. So you're going to be able, I'm not just going to give you 24-hour bucks, which in itself, by the way, is $19.95 right now. You're going to get it completely for free, but I'm not just going to give it to you. I'm going to give you the right to give it away to your own customers. That's right. You get to give away my product, my top selling product, 24-hour bucks. You get to give it away completely for free as if it was your own. That's going to be your personal bonus. So basically, you're getting PLR rights, by the way, to all these emails in this set. There's 14 emails total. You get PLR rights, which means you can sell these, you can use them as a bonus, you can give them away, rebrand them, use it as your own, use it as a course, whatever you want to do, you can use it for yourself. And then basically, as your own bonus, you can give away 24-hour bucks as well, completely, totally for free. You're going to be able to do that as your own bonus as well. Now, pick up any upgrade to the side hustles and quick money tactics, and I'm going to give you the first upgrade of 24-hour bucks to give away as well. So you're going to be able to give away 24-hour bucks OTO1, which gives you more tactics plus more done for you content. And I believe that's a $47 product. You're going to be able to give that away completely for free as your own. Plus, of course, you're going to be able to give away 24-hour bucks as your own. This is an insane offer, but I really want this to be something that's very special because I know Cam, he does great stuff. Now, the members area is very, very basic. It's basically just a download. It's actually going to be a PDF you're going to get. I have review access here. which allows me to see it before it actually launches. But basically, all it's going to be is a downloadable PDF file, and you're going to download all the content that you'll have available to use with this package. And of course, there's going to be everything included. You have all the emails plus the cover art, everything included for you completely for free with the package. And again, when you get it from me, you're also going to be able to give away 24 Hour Bux as your own personal bonus. Now, I do want, before I see if we're going to give a tip man to credit or not, I do want to just read for you real quick. This is the first email in the series. Okay, one thing they all have in common, that's the subject line. One thing they all have in common, when you study the titans of industry, the greats of success, one thing you will notice is that most times the thing that gets them started, that is to say, the very thing that initially has them seeing success, is fairly simple. And then often the simple action that leads to success is expanded upon. Think about it. Henry Ford in the summer of 1893 got started with an interest in internal combustion engines. So he built a small one-cylinder gasoline model. It was not complex, especially by today's standards, but he saw success and it drove him to expand. Mark Zuckerberg started Facebook from Harvard University in 2003 as FaceMash, an online service for students to judge the attractiveness of their fellow students. It was a simple idea that saw success. He expanded. Now, why am I reading all this to you? It goes on quite a bit. I'm not going to read the whole thing. You'll see it when you pick up the whole product. The reason I'm reading this to you is because I want you to see this is quality writing. Cam has a way with words that you're not going to see from most PLR content. Most PLR content, pretty simple, basic stuff. He really is able to weave a story that gets really good stuff and makes it really exciting to read, something that people really want to see. So I highly recommend getting anything from Cam. His stuff is really, really high quality. And again, when you pick this up from me, you are going to be able to get 24 Hour Bux to give away as your own. You're not just getting it because it's a $19.95 value. That in itself is crazy. I'm going to let you give it away as your own bonus. You're going to get the link. You simply paste the link into your bonus document, and you can give away 24 Hour Bux as if it was your own, completely for free. They don't have to pay for it. They don't even have to go through the sales page, by the way, on Warrior Plus. It's going to be a direct sign-up link that they're going to sign up on the website and be able to access it immediately. So let's see if I'm going to give a tip master product creator or not.
The man! You're the man! You're the man!
Yeah, seriously, you the man. Okay, I really do like when Cam does this stuff because he does really, really high quality stuff. And at $5.99, this is an absolute no-brainer. Pick this up. You're going to love it.